Hey guys, welcome to my channel Manda Drive. So we are in Dallas, Texas, and we are here for our truck repair. And as we are here, we'll explore the city, and also we'll explore a few of the Indian stores and Indian restaurants. So today we will go to India Bazaar, which is in Irving, which is like almost 12 kilometers from my place, and we'll explore the Indian superstore. So please do subscribe, like, and share the channel. Peace. So this is the room, and that's the washroom. It's a decent sized washroom with a standing shower. There's the TV, sofa, and this small kitchenette, and we are preparing our tea. You will have different utensils in there. Then you have sugar, salt. That's the microwave. This is the coffee tea maker. And you have a decent king size bed. That's the out. That's the I-35. And that's our car. And this is the small closet with the iron board and the iron. So that's the room. You can have lots of Indian restaurants also nearby. So that's the India Bazaar superstore, and you can find like lots of Indian stuff inside, as you will see in my video. Store. Okay, you can see the Indian groceries. You can see Parle G biscuit. You can see like um, different attas and flour, suji. So you can find the Haldiram, all sorts of snacks here. You can find all the different pickles, whether it can be mangoes or it can be amla, whatever you find, you can have it. And this is the tea section and coffee section. You'll all find the Indian tea and coffee. All brands you can see in the this section. That's the one we drink, Red Label. You can even find Bonvita. So basically more Indian than in India. You see Lijjat Papar, all sorts of snacks, all groceries you can find in this store. I'll definitely put the description section. I'll put everything about this store. You can come here, you can shop around. All snacks, all everything you can find here. All groceries, even like vegetables, fresh fruits. You see garam masala powder, all sorts of spices you can find here. All Indian spices. They are the soup section. This is all, and this is the ready-made food section. Kasuri methi, there's Tata salt. You can find all sorts of groceries. You can find anything related to the Indian food tasting. You can find in this store. I definitely like this store. Kabuli chana. You can find all the cereals and the you know dals, puffed rice, poha. You can find everything here. That's sugar candy, which we call mishri in India. Moong dal. You can even find temples, big and small, cricket bat, carom, all sorts of decoration items. These are the carom board. And this is the candle stand, diyas and candle stand, God's pictures. All in all, you can find everything. These are diyas, rangolis, the color for rangoli. That's the grocery section for the vegetables and fruits. You can find all sorts of fresh vegetable and fruits here.